Hello, this is Greg from Pressure Deer Pro. I'm out today, it's late March. I'm out setting up some of my licking branches for the fall already in the spring. It's really important to do that so the deer get used to them. So you hear a lot of people talk about doing mock scrapes. I guess you could call these mock scrapes, but I do 5 different setups for making scrapes on my property. I don't make the scrapes, I set up the spots and the branches so the deer will use them and make their own scrapes. So I don't scrape the ground and doctor up the scrape with scent and the branches. But this particular one, you can see I've set up using one of these units that I made and designed. And I set this up in 5 minutes. Got to have the right tree branch to set up. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different licking branches on this particular setup. So what do I have here? I have a kill plot. You can see I got clover. It's already greening up in late March in Michigan. We got a stand across over there in a pine tree. This is adding another dimension to this hunting spot. Right? So I'm going to have 3 of these. I'm actually going to have close to 20 licking branches in a line here. Behind me is thick cover. That's a staging area. It's all full of rubs. When the bucks come out, they're going to come out to this edge, and if you notice, there's an edge of pine trees here and brush. That is an edge. You have to have an edge to get scrapes to occur for licking branches to work. Licking branches are all about communication for deer. They use them all year round. That's why I'm setting them up now. They will start to use these. I'll have to replace those branches in the fall because they'll be too brittle and the bucks will snap them all off. But that's no problem. I'm going to come back in September, put new branches on these. It takes 2 minutes to do it. All right, so with that in mind, I wanted to tell you a little bit about licking branches, the magic of the licking branch. If you want to learn how to do these, come to our school, Pressure Deer Pros. I will teach you hands-on how to do all 5 of the approaches I take to developing licking branches, including this one. As you can see, it works pretty darn well, I think, anyway. So give us a call, Pressure Deer Pros. Thanks.